Hello everybody! Welcome to Kimono Lab Yukiko. 皆さんこんにちは、Yukiko です。Today, I'd like to make bento box for Children's Day or Boys Day. Let's start cooking. First, I prepare for osekihan. We eat osekihan at the time of celebration. This is because Japanese regards red as a joyful color. You can cook it easily with a rice cooker. This is a wooden container called ohitsu. It keeps the rice really tasty. Now I'm preparing for broccoli salad. I use avocado, boiled eggs, mayonnaise, and salt and pepper. Now I'm preparing for macaroni salad. I chopped up some cucumbers. I added can of corn and can of tuna. Mix with mayonnaise, salt and pepper, and macaroni. Now I'm going to make stuffed green pepper, starting with minced onion. Adding minced pork and beef, breadcrumbs, add 1 egg, and miso. We sprinkle white flour first before we put meat, so that it won't get separated when you're cooking. Now let's prepare for kushiyaki. Actually, for the kushiyaki, you can put any ingredients you like. Today I'm using chicken, negi, which is leek, asparagus, tomato or petite tomato, and some cheese. Oh, this is tuna. Also, I used mushroom. You can cook on a frying pan, or you can put it in the oven too. Now I'm preparing for fried shrimp. This is called jubako, or squared bento box, or 3 layers. We use this for special occasions, like sports day or children's day, or picnic. I like to sprinkle black sesame seed and salt on top of osekihan. So the May 5th is Boys' Day or Children's Day to pray for the boys to grow healthy and strong. We put out samurai dolls with armor and helmet, which is a symbol of strength. We also set up Koinobori, which is flying carp. I made bento box for this event to celebrate with my children today. Thanks for watching. If you like it, please subscribe my channel.